What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be organizing underneath my kitchen sink, which I'm super excited about. So if you're interested in finding some new fun ideas and how you can organize underneath your sink, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is line the bottom of the cabinet with this liner that I purchased at the dollar store. And it is such a bargain because if you purchase liner anywhere else, it's going to be so much more expensive. And this little project took less than one roll, so I did have some left for another project. So here is the final results after lining the bottom of the cabinet. So next I'm going to organize all of the things that I'm going to put under the sink in these organizers. I absolutely love these organizers. If you want to purchase these as well, I will leave the links in the description box below. So first off, we've got all of the sponges. I absolutely love those little pink sponges. I think they're just so cute. And next up, we've got the dishwasher pods, which make it so much more easier to do the dishes. Instead of having to scoop out some powder, just grab a pod and toss it in. So next up, we've got the dish soap, the hand soap, and the trash bags. So now I'm going to roll all of the dish towels, and I like to roll dish towels because they look more aesthetically pleasing, and it's also going to take up more vertical space. And so you'll see it when I start organizing underneath the sink that I place them in a way that it's going to cover up the view of a lot of the hoses down there. There's just so much going on underneath a kitchen sink, and so the thing that I like to do is cover up the view of everything that's going on back there, all of the hoses, as much as possible. I absolutely love using Lazy Susans just because it allows you to access products a lot easier. And I wanted to try to maximize all the space that I could. So that's why I'm just gonna tuck it in the corner. So this is what I was talking about previously, about the towels taking up more vertical space, so it hides a lot of the view of the hoses in the back. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a command hook to the door. And if you haven't used command hooks, they are so simple to use. The one thing that you're actually supposed to do is slide the hook off of the back plate. There's a clear back plate on the back of the hook. You're actually supposed to slide that off and adhere that to the wall first, and then slide your hook back on. But to save time, I just threw it up. Just in case you've never used command hooks before, that's actually the correct way to apply them. I absolutely love the idea of using a fire blanket instead of a fire extinguisher that would get all over the place. Thankfully, I've never had to use it, but just in case, it's always good to have something on hand, just in case if your kitchen catches on fire. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could hit the like button down below. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.